block. And yes! First basket for Letran.
They will be going.
Na naman ng Letran. Calagio! Whoa! What a block by Benedicto.
Tiago ba? Willie Miller.
Willis Miller! Oops! Almost Miller time there, but Calagio to the rescue for Letran. Ang bola, Miller. Passing to Calagio. Yes!
Well, may tira talaga sa labas itong si Chris Calagio. Mira.
Well, Calagio certainly looked with a lot of muscle, and the first points coming from Benedicto, who's pumped up. Well, 30-second shot clock. Benedicto is up to it.
Well, he's the veteran and the Mapua.
Slam dunking, going back to Raimundo. He is blocked, but he's fouled likewise.
Letran, Raimundo sa free throw area.
First days of big-time basketball for Raimundo after. Makikita niyo po yung height niya ng 6'6" po.
Pero you also see his hands.
The basketball, ito sa baseline. Miller, the J, supply, and long shot there by Benedicto.
From the same spot para kay Benedicto. Gusto niyang top.
Shooting us of them all. Second scorer, leading scorer, and that's why he's number 2.
Well, definitely that jump shot.
Pacheco on the dribble. And Benedicto is still at it.
Well, tinuturuan ni Benedicto ng leksyon ang depensa ng Letranier. Whoever, even the man assigned to
Gordon's Gin, of course, Letran yung
for the Letran lineup.
ito yan.
Kita mo naman yung lusot na yun. Big basket for Calagio. Instant offense from the top. Letran Knight.
So, through the gauntlet para kay Calagio. 6 minutes remaining. 8-point lead for Letran. With a good pick and roll. And yes, Marupot will score. And people playing the making para sa Cardinal. Make the move, the slice. No, almost.
Pero ngayon nakiklik na ang mga offensive men nila. Humahabol na sila.
Nobody backs out Garcia for the putback.
And you cannot do that.
Miller, 2 minutes and 58. Miller sees daylight. He's blocked, but fouled by Omanzi Rodriguez.
Unfortunately, that will be the third for the Mapua center. The rookie center at that. And Miller. Ngayon po, hindi pa nakaka-score ito. Malakas pa yung nanggaling po ito sa Olonga po. 175 pounds.
Wala pa rin.
0 points pa rin up to this point.
Reyes for 3. Wala. There's Benedicto. Triple team. He won't be denied. He tries to get it back. Isang fake angat, and he's everything you'd want for.
Kita mo naman kung paano buhayin ni Benedicto ang kanyang kupunan.
Cardinal Patrick Earl Benedicto in.
Kung gaano kakapos yun at kung gaano kapagod ito. Pero mabilis yan.
And the long tray gives Mapua the lead for the first time. Going to Raimundo. And looking for it. Finally getting it mula dito kay Kirby Raimundo. Met by Tuason. When he loves that shot. Ano gusto niya yung pa-X na yan eh?
Well, alam mo itong si Chris Calagio, yung kumpiyansa, gano'n na lamang. Veterano na rin ito eh, sa kupunan ng Letran. At may threat ito both ends. Sa labas, sa loob meron din. Kaya nag-fake off yung kanyang attempt sa labas. Kumat would be charged against Benedicto. Na yun pa lang ang una kay Patrick Benedicto.
Nursing his foul.
Sa kanilang mga bata. Kalimutan nyo na yung nangyari ng opening day natin last year because maalala
it was very close. Reyes for the 3. Yes, sorry.
Second 3-point shot.
Come on, Calagio. He's blocked and there was a body check.
Una, nitong si Rafael Morales Jr., a forward from Mapua.
And the
scorer even last year ng Letran. He tallied 15 points.
The screen. And the jumper by Calagio. Diretso.
Oo, sa kanilalagyan natin. Parang nilagyan ng linya.
Ilusot ng si Prior. Samantala, Pimentel is doing it. Or has done it.
Marahit, itong si Miller ay nakakapagtala. Wala pang puntos. Missing 2 free throws earlier and a second-year player. Pero he averaged 13 points per ball. The king of the shot block at least in this game. For 16. At alam mo kung sino mga naka-16 ang
dito po sa second half. They're playing basketball. Ooh, there's some pushing inside. Miller umatake. And that was
ang kanyang mga puntos lahat mo galing sa free throw area. Pagdating sa error. Ako ngayon baka mamumuna siya.
10 minutes and a half remaining dito sa second half.
And that takes a lot from his team.
May hindi natural doon.
Sapal na naman.
In your face, ha?
And para kay Prior, para matigil yung fast break. Unluckily for them, nasa penalty na magkabilang kupunan. Pero yung shot block, foul ang tinawag sa kanya. Magandang matchup ito. Calagio and will go places, Randy. At least mag-basketball ang pinag-usapan.
Yes, and Calagio Pimentel for the 3-point shot.
Mukhang ito ang kailangang 3-point basket.
Benedicto, will he light it up? Yes!
Yes! At talagang hindi pa nauubos.
This exciting ball game. Mapua. The 3 is in. Boy, oh boy.
Big shot for Pimentel. Will feel the pressure. Tumayo na naman ang Letran.
He does it. It's tied at 54. No, I don't think he will have time. Tingnan natin.
We will go to overtime,
Yes.
Randy.
And this is just the first game. Letran and Mapua. 54 all after 40 minutes. Where's the overtime game? First game ng 73rd NCAA games. And first crack going to Letran. Prior. And there.
Ito na agaw for Pimentel. Pero may agaw din ang Letran.
But maagaw, hindi. Miller. Yes!
Finally, accounting for himself.
Against Benedicto. The matchup is there all evening long sa Araneta Coliseum. Calagio. Saklot. Good fake. Going to Garcia. Inabot.
At nako, talagang kinatatakutan na ito. Pero Letran,
Look at the numbers of Amansi Rodriguez.
5 rebounds, 5
Chance
shots.
do you have? Could this be number 2 in terms of overtime? But Benedicto just piled it in from three-point country.
Pimentel will fall out.
That's a big blow to the cause of the Cardinals. But
Ito yung malaking 3-point
Oo.
shot ni Benedicto.
the smile, tingnan mo yung ngiti niya niya.
And
yes.
the intensity
Woo!
for Benedicto.
Extended play dito sa 73rd season ng NBA.
Obviously, naapektuhan niya kanyang unang free throw shot. Big ang pagkana nila dito. Kung mananalo sila, this would be a big win for them. Finally,
He's got to put it up. It doesn't go in. And Mapua could hang on. They could hang on to the leather and win. Meanwhile, a foul. Efren Garcia Jr.
He missed.
Pag-asa pa nga naman eh. They've got 6.6 seconds to try to score a 3-point shot. Here is Calagio looking for the equalizer. Calagio. Yes!
what a shot!
Calagio.
What a shot!
And we're into the second overtime. The 3-point shot. Here it comes in slow-mo. Bendigo.
Right in time to tie the overtime period.
Somewhere, well, ang bumitaw po sa Mapua in terms of fouls. 3 minutes of the overtime period. Second, Garcia. What a shot there by Garcia. A lot of confidence. The setup. Here is Viloria. He has already drilled one. There's the second one in second overtime.
Tama ka.
Tingin sa orasan. Lumapit. He's got to take it. The handoff. Yes. To Mike Garcia.
Big play for Chris Calagio. Sa Letran, who will, I'm sure, waste a lot of seconds. They
But
got
the cross court. The 3-point shot. Benedicto. We still have a ball game.
pero yung iba naman mga Escalana na maglalaban-laban. Kailangan ng quick foul ng Mapua dito, pero they forced the turnover.
Yes. What?
3 free throws.
Bernales, the pass against Saklot and Benedicto holding on. This could be it. With 1.6 seconds remaining.
Bernales was put into this ball game for defense.